In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Plus500 Watchlist. A watchlist is your personalized dashboard of instruments you care about, so you can monitor prices and movements at a glance without jumping between screens. Whether you track a few currency pairs, a handful of stocks, or a mix of commodities and indices, setting up a watchlist keeps everything organized and easy to follow. Start by logging in to Plus500, either on the web trader in your browser or through the mobile app. Once you're in, look for the search bar near the top of the main screen. This is where you find the instruments you want to follow. Type the name or ticker of what you're after, like EUR/USD for the euro versus the US dollar, or AAPL if you're tracking that well-known tech stock. As you type, results will appear so you can quickly pick the exact instrument you want. When you see it in the search results, or if you've opened its instrument screen for more details, add it to your watch list by selecting the star icon. On mobile, the star appears next to the instrument name, making it quick to tap. The moment you add it, the star will turn yellow or otherwise look active, confirming it's been saved to your watch list. Repeat the same process to add as many instruments as you'd like to follow. There's no need to rush. Take a moment to confirm each selection so your list reflects only what you truly want to watch. If multiple variations appear in search, choose the one that matches your intention, like the correct currency pair or the specific stock listing. Now open the watch list panel to see everything in one place. There's usually a tab or a section labeled Watch List right on the main screen. This view brings all your saved instruments together so you can glance at prices, percentage changes, and other key details without performing another search. It's designed to be quick, clear, and efficient. A couple of tips as you use it. Entering clear search terms helps you find instruments faster, and checking the instrument name before starring avoids adding the wrong one. If you switch between WebTrader and the mobile app while logged in, your watch list is tied to your account, so you'll have a consistent view across devices. That's all you need to start using the Plus500 watch list effectively. Log in, search for the instruments you want, tap the star to add them, and open your watch list to see them all together.